everybody, and welcome to my channel. So we are going to do an unpackaging. This package is from Deercake. I have unboxed a few of their leggings. But then I was like, I'm doing this journey, so I might as well get some of their underwear. And once again, I have another 20% off at Deercake. They really hook you with that 20% off. That's what I used to get these. I'll try to leave that affiliate code down below so you can use it as well. Oh, I didn't even tell you what I got. I got the full lining 24 hour, I think, one for and large and the hipster. And I got a very unforgiving color, let me tell you. What in the heck? Oh, this is a lot different than the other ones. So I got these. The black lining is where the pad is. So usually there's a little tag that tells you what it is and where it's from, and it can easily be just rubbed off with your butt. This one actually has a tag, which is awesome. I like that a lot better. Some people don't. Some people would cut it off. There is the front and the back upside down. They also have a hygienic liner for fitting purposes, remove after purchase. These are by TrueFitTryOn.com is what they say. The liner is, which I know this will fit me. I don't want to try it on. I know it'll fit me. And these were $32, I think, or $42 or something like that. And then I used the 20% off code. I'm gonna see if the 20% off code is just an everything thing, or if I can share it with y'all, or if it's just for me. If I can share it with y'all, I will, or I'll try to get you a code that you can use as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys.